Assalamualaikum, I'm Munam Naveed and today we'll be continuing our lesson 2 of Blockly games. So today we'll be doing maze. Alright, here is a move forward here and it has to reach its destination. So let's run the program to see how much has it gone. Let's take another move forward. That should be enough because first it reached here, so the second one should be here and it's done. Alright, congratulations, you solved this level with 2 lines of JavaScript. Alright, let's see. We are not using 2 moves forward here because this is 1 move forward till here and then it will turn left because this is left. And then it will move forward, turn right, and then move forward. Look, it will go here, turn left. But why did I put another move forward? So it moves forward, it just doesn't stay looking left like that. And same for the right. Congratulations! Alright, we're at level 3. Look here, you can choose any character that you like. Oh, even this one, an astronaut or a panda, or the normal one. Alright, so let's see. You have only 2 blocks left. Alright, they're saying you only have 2 blocks, and it's only going straight. To reach its destination, it's only going straight. We only have 2 blocks. How will we go? Look, there's another new block here. Repeat until do. It will keep doing the command until it doesn't reach its destination. So let's put a move forward in it. It will keep doing this command until it's reached. Congratulations, you solved this level with 3 lines of JavaScript. Alright? Alright. You have 5 blocks left. Alright, let's see. We have repeat until do. We'll put a move forward. Then it will turn left. As you know, it has to move, not stay there. So we'll put another move forward. Then right. Hey, where's our move forward gone? It's alright because it will repeat doing this command. So when it said turn right, it will go from here and it will move forward. Alright, it reached this destination. You solved this level with 6 lines of JavaScript. Are you ready for level 5? Alright, let's go. You have 5 blocks left. Alright, that's funny. We're in level 5 and we have 5 blocks left. Alright, so we have this repeat until do and move forward. Now just won't do that, move forward and it's just move forward pattern. So we'll do turn left and then move forward, turn left should be here and another move forward and then move forward, because you know if we had these all in it, it will move forward 2 times, turn left, then move forward 2 times, turn left and then hold. So let's do. This is all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.